Guess what? There are so many different theories about what these aliens or what these UFOs or what these ships are about. I am very confused. So I'm going to present 5 of the most possible theories right now. The first theory, which is my favorite, is that there are good aliens and bad aliens. The Farsight Institute has supposedly been in communication with these good aliens, and they say that the bad aliens are controlling the media and our government. The good aliens are the ones that are flying around, and the idea is that the good aliens are here to show us that they exist, and they're going to be showing up in bigger and bigger crafts. Next month is going to be bigger ships and more obvious, and the reason they're here is to prove that they exist. Theory number 2 is the government version, which is that people are seeing normal hobby drones and airplanes and planets, and there is really nothing strange going on in the sky. There are people who believe this. Theory number 3 is that these are pterodynamic drones, which can change from having the wings folded up to flying out like airplanes, which would explain why people say that these drones change shapes right in front of them. So it's possible that these are US drones and they don't want to tell us why they're flying out there. That brings us to the next theory. Actually, if they are US drones, there are several theories as to why they are out there. Some experts have come out and said that these are nuclear hunting drones, and the reason the US government doesn't tell us is that they are afraid of scaring people. Another theory is that the government is deploying Project Bluebeam, which is a fake alien invasion designed to cause the government to declare martial law and so avoid President Trump's inauguration. Conspiracy theorists have discussed this potential scenario for many years, and the hologram technology that exists could be used to do this. Another theory that has been proposed by a congressman is that these ships are Iranian drones from a mothership. The Pentagon has denied this. However, as of a day ago, I heard that he still says that this may be a possibility. Dr. Stephen Greer, a famous ufologist, says that the reason for the activity now is that there is a group of scientists who have worked with captured spaceships for many years, and they are about to disclose this to the world. The current spaceships that are flying around are made with that technology that we re-engineered from crashed spaceships, and they are flying around now to distract from this coming disclosure. According to him, this disclosure will happen in the next few weeks. So which of these theories is true? I don't know. What's sure is that they are putting out a lot of confusing information in order to discredit all the other theories. So there's a lot of disinformation out there. It's hard to know what is true.